Hello friends, welcome to NiftyHMS. So today we are going to see how you can enter as a admin or as a doctor in NiftyHMS patient medical insurance detail or patient health insurance details in NiftyHMS. So let's just check it out. So once you log in NiftyHMS, you will see the dashboard and all the glimpse of the system. Then you need to go to custom fields through system settings menu in the left side panel. Over here you will see custom fields that's already created in system, but we're going to create few new fields. So once you click on the plus icon at the top, add custom field, you'll be able to present a form where you need to select the module. We are going to select patient module. New field name is insurance. We'll make it mandatory for now. It's a file structure, so we will select the file system. Allowable files, PDF, doc, or the size 50 KB or 50 MB, whatever you want to put up, and visibility. So yes, we want to make sure this field is visible when we are adding a patient. So this particular field that we just added, called insurance file, is visible in the patient add form. We're going to add a few more fields over here right now. So we'll select again form name as a patient, label. So this is an insurance company that we are trying to capture. So we'll select text box mandatory. So we have inserted one more custom field in the patient registration form. So we're going to add a few more fields, two more fields in this. So the amount of the insurance for this particular patient, if we want to capture, so we can capture that as well. If is how much amount the insurance is covering. So that is the field that we're going to capture. One more field that we're going to capture in the patient registration form is about the validity. So insurance always has certain dates it is valid, so we will capture that as well. Let's make it mandatory as well. So we have 4 fields in the custom field section of the patient form. So now just click on add patient and see if this appears. Okay, so it's here in advanced, the add patient detail page. So we can just add a new patient and see how we can capture the patient medical insurance details. And when we are adding a patient over here, so we'll add all the basic details of the patient, their first name, last name, their phone number, mobile number, and things like that. And now we'll just scroll down to advanced field. So we'll upload the insurance file, their insurance company name, the amount that insurance is covering. So we'll enter that value and the validity. So if it is valid till October 31st or August 20th, we can add those details and we can save it. So this data is successfully uploaded in the system. So we have captured the patient's medical insurance details. Okay, so let's search for the Bendial patient. So this particular patient, you can see in the list. Once you click on it, you can see the insurance details, company details, amount, and validity details. So and once you click on the download button of the view file, you can also download the insurance details, the whole file. You can download it. So this will give you complete details on the health insurance for a particular patient. So this is how easily you can capture and store patients medical insurance details to process it for cashless or post treatment processing. You can capture all those details. Thank you for watching the video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.